I mean, she's so cute and so adorable that I ended up watching her for a very long time.
Missing someone. Missing someone. Missing someone. Love with all your heart. Missing someone.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and yes, I am back with one more video today. And today I am recreating, this is the second part of recreating pictures. So I am recreating Lisa from Blackpink. If you all don't know, she is a South Korean singer and a rapper, and she is so adorable. So let me tell you that a lot of my friends and my family told me that I look like her. I don't know, you all tell me if I do. And yeah, so taking that advantage, I decided to recreate her pictures. And I actually, when I decided to recreate her pictures, I actually went on Google and YouTube and searched for her, and she's so cute and so adorable, you guys. I ended up watching her for 5 hours. I selected some pictures of her from Pinterest and Google. Without further ado, let's just quickly get started with the So that was it, guys. Let me know if you all really like my video and if you all think that I look like her. And if yes, if you had fun, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye. Take care.